Isicelo sokuvalwa kweThala Bank sincike ekutheni isengcupheni imali yamakhasimende aleli bhange njengoba lisebenza ngokungemthetho. NgoNhlaba nonyaka, iNkantolo Ephakeme yaseMgungundlovu yakhipha isinqumo esithi iThala Bank aliqhubeke nokusebenza kepha lingayemukeli imali efakwayo ama-deposit. Umehluleli uMuzi Ncube wathola ukuthi umlawulo waqokwa ibhange lombuso, uJohannes Kruger, akanalo ilungelo lokungamela ukusebenza nokuphathwa kwebhange iThala. Khathi abameli bebhange iThala benza izethulo zabo enkantolo namhlanje, bakubeke kwacaca ukuthi iThala Bank hahlosile ukusebenza ngokungemthetho.
Despite the fact that iThala was very clear, both in the November judgment and in the 18.5, that Judge Ncube make it clear in your order that iThala will not take deposits. So both the order in November last year and an order from this year made it clear that excluding deposits, excluding a business of a bank, it was precisely to avoid those arguments that iThala wants to act unlawfully, iThala wants to continue operating unlawfully.
iThala Bank lasungulwa njengesikhungo sezentuthuko iThala Development Finance Corporation Limited ngo-1958 nguhulumeni wezabelo wakwaZulu owawuholwa ngumntwana uMangosuthu Buthelezi osakhothama. Kwathi uma kungena uhulumeni wentando yabantu emva ka-1994 lehlukaniswa impiko ezimbili, olodwa lwaba ngolentuthuko kwathi olunye lwaba olweyinsiza zokubhanga noma ke ukulondoloza imali.